Hello, my name is Miguel Churruca. I'm Marketing and Communications Director of Brainstorm, and I'm here with Pedro Dabdu, who is the main operator of the main demo. This is the control point for all the main demo we have here at IBC 2024. The important thing that we want to showcase is that we are preparing a complete election show with just one workstation using InfinitySet with Unreal Engine and the robotics from XD Motion. In this case, we are showcasing a complete show, as I mentioned before, that features not only a real stage with an LED wall with props, but also a virtual remote talent coming from the green screen. In this case, we're using two talents that are interacting together, and the main talent, Beth, she's driving the whole demonstration using that translucent screen where we can input graphics in 3D in real time, interactive data-driven graphics, and also drives the whole sequence of the events with a clicker. So she can drive the scene, drive the show at the pace she wants or likes better. So in this case, we're using InfinitySet, as I mentioned before, and maybe Pedro can explain a little bit which is the setup of this workstation.
Sure, so basically we have different renders. For instance, render number 2, this is what's being projected to the video wall. Now, render number 1, this is the render from Unreal Engine that we're using to remap both the video wall and set extension. So again, this is my video wall. If I go to render 6 is the combination of both set extension and what the camera is looking at. And on top of that, we have the green screen, so we have a virtual actor that we can put on top, and overlay graphics.
These graphics are pre-rendered or they're rendered real time because of data coming in? How do they work?
Everything's real time. With this plugin, we can control XD Motion robotics and send commands that are linked to our controller. So basically, this is a rundown that runs the whole presentation, and every time we trigger a teleprompter here, we also trigger an event for Unreal Engine, and we trigger a motion for the camera. So just with a clicker, the operator can go click, 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 and go and trigger events and camera movements.
So this is important because we have a number of actions that happen during the demo, and those actions are triggered because of the presenter. So it's not somebody else controlling that, but just the presenter deciding where the actions are coming. And the actions is not just changing a camera movement, it's changing camera movement, changing the scene in the background, changing the graphic, many things happen at the same time, and also a teleprompter if required, which is quite impressive.
So it's really simple to operate. I just have to reset the presentation, and the presenters can do it all on their own.
So amazing thing with all this is that we are showing a complete show, as I mentioned before, with minimum staff and a lot of actions happening at the same time, driven by one person.